Find features that distinguish it from other brands for POWOXI 50-watt solar battery charger, 12-volt, solar car battery trickle maintainer. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Get ready for a new of solar charging. Enjoy smarter, high-power charging with the POWOXI M-Series high-power ETFE thin and flexible solar battery charger. Featuring a fully potted and sealed IP67 waterproof independent MPPT charge controller built right in, no more searching for a separate controller. As we now offer this convenient 2-in-1 configuration to make your charging experience simple and effortless. Enhanced Independent MPPT Controller, POWOXI's innovative IP67 potted technology ensures your solar trickle charger can handle any wet environment. It intelligently adapts to your battery's temperature across different seasons, delivering the precise charging voltage needed. With a 3-stage charging process, bulk absorption, float, it recognizes and applies the perfect voltage for every battery phase, providing more effective 12-volt battery charging, superior safety, extended battery life, and enhanced charging performance. Advanced P&O incremental conductance algorithm. By repeatedly disturbing the voltage and testing different sunlight intensities to continuously adjust the charging voltage, the operating point of the solar system charging power gradually approaches the maximum power point, improving the charging efficiency and effectively increasing the charging efficiency by 36%, ensuring superior performance even on cloudy days compared to non-MPPT chargers. Comprehensive battery protection. Select your battery type with the mode button. 12-volt AGM, GEL, lithium iron phosphate and lithium. This solar battery maintainer is compatible with all 12-volt lead-acid batteries, flooded, GEL, AGM, SLA, VRLA, maintenance-free, for boats, cars, RVs, powersports, campers, and deep cycle applications. Stronger and more long-lasting. Experience effortless energy with the POWOXI M-Series Independent MPPT Controller Edition. Its 2-in-1 design and advanced POWOXI M-Series algorithm significantly boost solar charging efficiency. Enjoy worry-free charging with more comprehensive safety protections. Overcharge, overdischarge, overvoltage, overcurrent, overload, short circuit, polarity inversion, and overtemperature, all within a waterproof and spark-proof build that fully protects your battery. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.